Hi viewers, welcome to Max Grammar Tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of my channel, then subscribe my channel without fail. In today's video, I'm going to share a few of my favorite idioms, their meaning and their usage. Let's see the first idiom. The first idiom of today's discussion is caught between a rock and a hard place. You can use this idiom when you are in a situation where you have to choose between two bad choices, or when you are facing a hard decision, or when you are having two very bad choices to choose from, or even when you are in a very difficult situation. Now, let's see how to use this with an example. John is caught between a rock and a hard place as he would have to work long hours with low pay. If he didn't, he would lose his livelihood. Here, John is actually caught between two bad choices. Either he has to work long hours with low pay, which is not going to help him to lead his livelihood sufficiently, or if he quits the job, then he would not be able to meet his expenses even partially. Leaping forward to the second idiom of discussion, the idiom is don't count your chickens before they hatch. The meaning of this idiom is we should not judge on something that has not yet happened. And even you can use this idiom in another scenario where you cannot expect all your hopes to come true, or you shouldn't base your plan on a future event happening. It can also be used in a scenario where you should not assume to have everything you want until you have them. Let's glance through the example. Ryan, you may get the job, but don't count your chickens before they hatch. Wait till you get the offer letter before you throw the party. Here, Ryan is advised to wait for the confirmation that if he is getting the job, after which he can celebrate for getting his job. Moving on to the next idiom, getting a taste of your medicine. This idiom can be used in a scenario where when someone is mistreated the same way they mistreated others. It can also be used when someone gets the same bad treatment that he has been giving others, or when a person gets a sample of unpleasantness that he has been giving others, or to do the same bad thing to a person who has done it to you. Now, have a look at this example. Susan could feel how bad it is to body shame others only when she got a taste of her own medicine. Here, Susan is the one who has the habit of body shaming others. She didn't know how much it would have hurt others when she was body shaming others. But once, when she was body shamed by someone else, it was then that she could feel how hard it was to body shame someone. The next idiom is letting the cat out of the bag. This idiom can be used in a situation where someone lets a secret out in the open, or when a surprise is revealed accidentally. Let's skim through the example. The cat was out of the bag when the Times of India revealed the biggest scandal in which the present government was involved. Here, the scandal was done without the knowledge of the public until it came into light when the Times of India had published it. Now, we are moving on to the last idiom for discussion today. The meaning of this idiom is to take a credit from someone else's work, or to use someone else's idea to their own advantage. It can even be used to express when someone's success or praise is taken away from them. Let's have a look at the example. We had the idea for ebooks years ago, but I see they have stolen our thunder and released their own version of it in the market. Here, there was a company who had designed to release an ebook, But to their dismay, another company had used their idea but with little alterations. They had released ebooks in the market. Hope this video about idioms was very informative. If so, then like and share our video. Do subscribe our channel for future videos and click on the bell button to receive the notification of the same. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. I'll catch you all next week with another set of idioms. Until next time, have a happy learning.